Intertools is the first DIY value comparison site. Compare price, service and availability from leading UK retailers.
Today's video we have the 3M respirator mask. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. The 4000 series half face masks from 3M are convenient, ready to use solution designed to protect against a range of gases and vapours as well as particulate hazards. This maintenance free half mask is extremely effective. Features and benefits include the following. It has an adjustable head cradle and easy to fasten neck straps for optimum fit. It is lightweight and well balanced design for user comfort. It has an exhalation valve centrally positioned for effective removal of heat and moisture. The two large bonded carbon filters offer low breathing resistance. The low profile design is ideal for peripheral vision. It has a soft, non-allergenic face piece material with textured face seal. "3M are a trusted name in personal protective equipment and are a mainstay in industrial grade PPE. For over 80 years, they have been providing products and solutions to companies to protect their workers in a variety of challenging workplace environments." Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.